Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. Today, we are going to be learning how to make popcorn at home. So many people like popcorn, but they don't know how to make it at home. I want to teach you the type that you will like. This type you have not made it before. Or some people, they'll make it, the sugar will just be some sides and it will not really look the way the ones they normally buy outside look. But this one I'm going to teach you is going to be easy and you can make it simply at home without any stress. So let's begin. First of all, I break out some portion of the corn that I'm going to use for the popcorn. I lit my gas, and then this is the frying pan I'm going to use. If you don't have this type of frying pan, you can get a pot that have good cover. So this is the frying pan I'm going to use because it's deep. Always use something that is deep. The frying pan is deep. See the corn and then the sugar. The sugar is in the red cup. So first of all, I put 3 grains of corn in the oil. That's what I will use to test if the oil is ready for popping the corn. So if I add these 3 corns inside the oil, I'll allow them to pop. When 3 of them have finished popping, you have to wait for 3 of them to finish popping. That shows that your oil is ready. So as the 3 of them, 1 have popped, is meaning 2. So I'll remove that one. Those ones, if they pop, remove them. Or if you do not remove them, they might start burning when you're popping the corn. So I use vegetable oil. So the remaining 2 have popped, but they flied away. No popcorn. I'll now add my corn and stir. Then add the sugar and stir again. You quickly stir and then cover it. After stirring, you cover. If you're using pots, make sure the pot cover is very tight. If it's not tight, now only you know what you get to. So that the corn will not start flying away. So after you start after putting the corn and everything, you keep on shaking. You shake a little weight, then you continue shaking. Keep on shaking until it starts popping. Once it starts popping, at this stage, allow it to pop. Don't be quick to off the gas. Allow it to pop for a long time. When it starts, it will start popping little by little, and later it will start popping fast. That time it starts popping fast, you have to start listening to it. When the fastness of the popping reduce, you know. But when the fastness reduce, that's when you know that it's time to stop, to off the lights or the fire or the gas. So allow it to pop. Keep on listening. You listen and understand when the popping reduce so that the sugar will not burn. Once the sugar gets burnt, you will not like the taste. It will be bitter. So allow it to pop well. Just allow it to pop. Let it just continue to pop until the popping is completed. Once the popping, you feel that the popping is no more like before. Like now it's reducing. The popping is reducing. And now you can check. You can just open a little and close it back. And this is our corn. You see, this is the popcorn that we have made. This is homemade popcorn. You can stir it and then dish it out in a plate and serve. You dish it out in a plate and let it cool. And then you can serve. Thank you for watching.